In this video, I'm going to show you how to force quit Adobe Bridge. Now, if you want to force quit Adobe Bridge, maybe because it froze or nothing is working and you can't even close it if you click on the X button top right, or if you go down here to your kind of taskbar, if you try right clicking and then clicking on close window, nothing happens, and you actually want to force quit it, there's one easy way to do that. So you want to right click on your taskbar and you want to open the task manager, okay? Now, whenever you do this, it's going to open your task manager, but if for some reason you can't even access the taskbar, you can very easily open that up by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to be able to basically open the task manager. Now in here, you'll see there's going to be a bunch of things. What you want to look for is Adobe Bridge. So over here, it says Adobe Bridge 2026 for me. If you don't see it, you could also go to the top and look for Bridge like this, and then you simply want to click on it, click on End Task at the top, and then this should basically force quit Adobe Bridge. Then of course you can always go back and search for it, open it up again, and it now should be working as intended. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.